Hi everyone, we're at Cleveland Clinic
In tradition.
in Tradition. And I know the Tradition Hospital. I remember we used to go here for something. Have I been on these elevators?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure, but I remember going on them one time.
I've been here for physical therapy, yep.
Yeah, and I went on the elevators right here. This one's amazing. I just like these elevators. They're so cool.
Oh, it's only 2 floors.
Yeah, only 2 floors.
I guess we'll go back
I
up.
remember I used to be scared of this elevator.
Really?
Yeah, I remember when I went here for physical therapy.
Because why?
I don't know. I thought it was going to free fall at first.
I wonder why you thought that.
I don't know. It's weird.
Was it your first elevator?
That was probably my third elevator. Nice motor. I like this motor. Really powerful. Wow. This one's at Place and Crop, so you know.